took an entry on GJ. If we just go to the 4 hour, you can see 4 hour is definitely bearish. So come pull back to these EMAs. As you can see here, big for a sleep, so I'm trying to be quiet. The 1 hour closed below this close here, although it looked like a forming inverse head and shoulders. A bit of an early entry, but I'm willing to give my trade a second chance if I lose. We're just creating this low resistance here. This resistance here. I know it's not to I was looking for either a pullback to this level or this red zone here before I take shots, but I'm seeing rejections at this level, which if I do pull my fib down here, it is the 38.2. I don't like to really use my fibs from down there. I'd prefer it up here. But so far, it doesn't really make sense towards what I usually do. But I don't know. I'll see these rejections here, so we'll see if it works. If it don't work, then it kind of coincides with what I believe anyway. But I'm taking it because I'd rather be in it. Because I feel like if I'm in a trade and I lose, I'm more likely to learn from it than just watching on the sidelines sometimes. So I was watching on the sidelines yesterday, and yeah, if I lose about $2-3. So yeah, we're targeting down here. Potential level and this previous resistance. Yeah, see you in the result. Look at that. Oh god. Yeah, I was sorry waiting. I don't know, bang. My 5 minutes. Pushed up. 60 pips in 5 minutes to stop me out. I said I was looking for second entries if I got stopped out, but yeah, I'm leaving it out for today. I'll come back tomorrow. Just a little 1% loss. And yeah, just looking based on stuff off the high tech. Why did we lose actually? Let's go over that. Yeah, we spoke about in the entry video. It was forming this. Head and shoulders. And also a double bottom because we did not break this low. And we're going to get pushed up to here. Yeah. And next time we can have a look. So yeah, that's the lesson. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Just entered the trade on GJ. Just entered after this close here. Basically, what we was waiting for was a 4 hour close above this zone here. We got that. We've got the EMAs in confluence. We've also got this Fibonacci with a 38.2 level in confluence. So we had this push, we've got the 30-minute EMAs, etc. in confluence. So there's a lot of confluences here for a nice push to the upside to this next -25 extension level. So if we just move to the 5-minute, as you can see, got this little hit, sort of fake out to the downside, back up, touch into this zone, and we're just looking for a nice push to the upside. So yeah, see you in the result. This is the second result from the second entry that we've taken. The longs. We lost. It's 9 o'clock, quite a while after I took the entry. I'd already lost ages ago, but I wasn't on the desk to record the video, so we'd entered somewhere. We entered about in here for a push. It was targeting this extension level, which did not get touched. So we came, consolidated a while under here, and we just got a push, stopped us out. And yeah, it was a bit of a shit trade, to be honest, but it was there. It was a break and retest. Thought we could get an extra little push up here. Why not? We didn't. We take the loss. So we lost twice today. We lost 2%. So we'll be back tomorrow, London session, to take trades only, and I mean only, if there is any potential setups, whether that's counter trend or with the trend. We're in a bit of a confusing situation because a lot of people read market structure differently, but if I do it here, here, this was the last low. This was the lowest point before we broke this high. So this was the official low. Here, we created a low. We failed to create a high. So this is like a fake low. So this is still the low. Bearing in mind, this is still the low. We pushed, we broke this structure. So now we've transitioned into a downtrend from the weekly resistance. This is a weekly resistance zone. It's just not marked up. So we pushed down here, brought this level, and then we've got this little lower high. And we make this low, and then we break this lower high. But yeah, this is what I mean. Like, there's so many ways I can learn in trading, and I'm just, as of now, what I'm anticipating in my head that could happen, just to confirm, to get all people on the right side. The way I look at this is this, like, it could come all the way up to this point, and based on the way I look at things, we haven't broke structure. So until we break this high here, when we haven't really transitioned to an uptrend, but a lot of people would say we've transitioned back into a bullish structure. We'll see, only time will tell. But what I'm looking at here is, if we're on this, come London session tomorrow, we have a 4-hour close below this yellow zone, pull back, then we have a nice push, break structure lows, or I'll probably be targeting down here. So yeah, at least that way, if we come down, create a head and shoulders pattern, we've now transitioned back into the downtrend anyway, and that would be the confirmed higher low once this is broken. So yeah, only time will tell. So I'm always learning, and yeah, the way I read my market structure is definitely different to most people. But yeah, we'll see if this way makes sense. If not, I'll just change the way I look at things and use it for future. So yeah, see you tomorrow.